I need bread.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Furious J, and I'm back with another video, man. Before we start this video, man, hit that like button, hit that share button, and make sure y'all comment below what y'all think about the video. Pretty much, man, we about to hit the Quakers for a car meet in South Carolina. We're back in town, so let's get right into it. We at the meet, man. How you feeling, bro?
Man, we gotta wait till some more people pull up.
More people will see where everybody else at, man. Wait
for tonight.
Wait for
Tonight's
tonight?
a movie, I promise you.
It's a movie?
It's a movie, I promise you.
It's a movie?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Say less, man. Y'all be coming. We came a little early just in case. Parking, you know what I'm saying? You know how parking go. Parking, if you come late or last minute, parking literally like no parking, like you ain't get no proper parking. That's why we came a little early. See all the extra space right here. So I don't know who else gonna be parking next to us, but hopefully they be parking next to a fucking a beast, man. They be parking next to a beast. Yeah, he right there, the white fucking Mustang. Yes sir. Coming right around. He right there, bro. Right there. Yes sir, yes sir. That shit hard though, ain't gonna lie. Yes sir. We got the driven anti-social. We got the J's, obviously. Stacks. We got the belt.
Yeah.
We got the nice hat. Fitty hat. Alright, we got, what's your drip looking like, man? Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir.
We got super pants, can't go wrong. Then we got black cat floors.
Yes sir, them bitches tough, I ain't gonna cap. The man
But
drippy.
tonight gonna be a movie though, just stay tuned.
Gonna be a movie?
Yeah, this is just the beginning, I promise you. Just stay tuned.
Alright, say less. Stay tuned like he said, man. Stay tuned. The man dripped out. But we got Strat. We got Mustang. Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh no, 5-0. Yes sir. Got that hood. Yes sir. Where you about to park though? With the Mustangs? He ain't want to park next to me though. It's not like a spaceship or something, bro. What the fuck? Where you going? That shit like a spaceship or something. That shit literally sound like a spaceship. Low key. I don't know what he about to do, man. You know him though. He might park next to him. Man. He might, man. On some real shit though, man. Shit. That shit sound like it'll go. You got a mirror right here. Shit. That shit hard though, I ain't gonna lie. It's crazy, he ain't parked next to me though, that's crazy. What you got? What's this right here? The scat pack? Wide body scat? Yeah, they gotta be a wide body scat. Yeah, that's a scat. That shit crazy. Got another one right here though. What that look? Oh, he about to park next to me? Say, oh damn. I played myself. That's crazy. Damn. Fuck it. I guess nobody don't want to park next to me. That's problem. That shit crazy. Focus. There you go, man. I ain't gonna lie. You look like you can't park, man. What you doing? You embarrassing the camera. Yeah, this shit got some more coming in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It looks like some shit you'll see on IG for sure, like Instagram videos. Shit is tough. I ain't gonna hold you. Of course, I'm about to say I would think they would have. You know what I'm saying? God damn, this will go all the way out. Gotta be drifting. This will go all the way out like that. Look how wide this wheel's going.
That shit gotta be on bad.
Gotta be. It look like it. And the whole gang here. 1, 2, 3, all here, bro. That's crazy. Yo. Nah, man. Whoa, you got the whole bump back there going in the front. This is crazy. Got Subaru. That'd be some shit, what? Uh-oh. We got somebody parked next to me. Out of all cars though, Subaru is crazy. Yeah. Got Subaru parking next to the king. I ain't gonna lie, that shit hard though, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? That man, I ain't gonna lie, man jamming out. That man jamming out though. Alright, about to come on in, yep. Come on in. The whole gang here, bro. Yes, sir. God, see? That is, bro. Is it Hemi? You know how we coming, man. You know how we coming.
Keep it up.
Two, man.
Welcome everybody back. We need y'all. Thank you.
Appreciate.
Uber one.
That man crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. That man funny. Genesis parking next? Well, we got 3 now. A Genesis and a Subaru parking next to the whip. Yes, sir. Oh, my bad. Shit tough, though. And it's loud. I like that shit. Hey, if you put like an actual spoiler on that bit, so. Type 2. That thing loud.
You post on vlog?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube. About to do our daily walk around. Shit tough right here though. I ain't on cap. That shit tough. feel like everybody got those, but shit tough. Then we got my car, obviously. Shit, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, shit a monster. I ain't gonna lie. Got some more motherfuckers coming in too. Fucking Genesis right here. We got the whole crew right here. Shit hard though. All three of those hard. What you think so far of these cars on your right? Like,
most definitely got to fuck with the V8.
the V8?
Yeah.
So you already know, man.
That's really it. Can't lie.
What you think about
Most
these?
definitely S197.
Yes sir, yes sir. What you think about it? What about that Beamer right there, bro? That shit hard?
That's valid.
Valid? Why you think it's valid?
Black on black, can't go wrong.
Type shit. The cars, man. What about that one? Insert crowd.
Yeah. That's straight.
Straight?
That's straight.
That's what's up. What about all these motherfuckers?
Probably the only one I like so far is this other seat gen. She got a blower on it. That shit.
Oh, that right there?
Yep.
Camaro?
Yep.
Type shit. That shit hard though.
Pro charge.
It's Pro Charge? Yeah. He gotta get a hood like
Yeah,
me.
you see shit up under the vent.
Shit, let's take a look under the vent though.
Pro charge.
Oh yeah, that shit Pro Charge. Wish you open the hood and we can see that bit.
Yeah, we call this Super B.
Super B, yeah, that's right.
It's rare to see, can't lie.
Shit hard though. Shit hard. He got the freaking quick latches, just in case. That shit hard, I ain't gonna cap. That shit tough. You got another Camaro right there. Is that an SS or an RS?
I'm not a drop top fan, but it's straight.
Wait, is that, I can't tell, is that RS or SS?
No, it's SS. Yeah, it's straight, but drop top, not messing with it.
Yeah, we got motorcycle gang? Type shit. That shit wild, bro. We just getting started in this motherfucker. Like, people still coming in. Like, that shit crazy to me, bro. We got the girls over here, man. I don't know what they, I guess they rocking with those cars over there. Shit wild, bro. Shit, that's our quick. Oh, you, okay, we ain't finished yet. That we ain't new. That's a new stain right there. It grew on me some, cause like at first I was like, I ain't gonna say hate on it, but it's like I couldn't accept it, cause it looked like a Camaro from the front.
I like the headlights in there.
I like the headlights, but I wish they would have did way more on the, you know what I'm saying, the hood scoop, cause it looked like literally looks like a SS hood scoop, literally, and it's so small. Now you can't beat the original 5.0s though. You can't beat the original 5.0s, especially like that one right there.
Nah, this is a GT500.
Shit hard.
ZL1. That's
ZL1, hey, the actual ZL1. Shit hard. Matte black. And you got, what is that right there? 5.0. Shit tough. ZL1 right there, man.
Another GT500. Oh my god.
Sheesh. That's Shelby. That shit hard. That shit hard though. They coming in packs though. They really coming in packs.
GT350. Oh my god.
That shit, you don't see you don't see them shits like that. Oh god. Oh god.
I know that is.
Yes sir. Oh yeah, they coming in, Mustang's coming in D though. Them motherfuckers coming in D. Coming in D. Oh, you don't see no like that, bro. That shit hard though. Ah, hey, what's up, brother?
God bless you.
Hey, yes, sir.
We in the house.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah. We turning up, man. We getting there. Fuck it. Is that Super? Yeah, that's Super right there. What do you feel about the Supers though? Like
Super valid.
Super valid?
It is valid.
Why you think it's valid, bro? Like, would you?
It's different.
It's different.
And that bitch, if it's doing right, not a pro. That bitch is tough. Ain't gonna let that bitch over here.
AC, oh where? But that shit tough. I like the lights. Yeah, it make it look like a beast or something, bro.
I like that.
But you got the LEDs in there too. I don't know if you saw that in the. That's hard.
That's even better.
Shit, we kind of made our way. Shit, it's time to head back to the real whip inside. Yes, that's maybe.
That's hard.
Shit, tough. Shit, it's hard. Sheesh. 500s, 350s, Z01s. Got to. Original Z01s. Wow. Which one you gonna take? 500 or Z01? If you have one choice, you get it's free.
Oh, no,
remember, it's a
man.
free car. You can take what you want, but you gonna choose
Z01
one.
most definitely.
Why the Z01 though? Why? Why? Like you said Z01, you gotta have an answer to that.
It's just better than personally.
Personally? I feel it.
Even though that shit sounds better than that. That shit a little more aggressive. I think.
This is more aggressive, but it sounds way better. So okay, with that being said, would you take sound over toughness or toughness over sound? Like,
Bro, you can be loud all you want. I'd rather choose that at the end of the day. Just 'cause, you know, it's still loud at the end of the day. But that should sound better.
Talk your shit, man. Talk your shit. Like, oh God, talk your shit.
That's what it is. What about you?
Honestly, I'm sticking with Chevy all day.
Can't go wrong.
Cause it's like, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with a Chevy. It's lighter than a GT.
This shit got a whipple, so let me take that back. That shit tough.
We're gonna check out the engine and shit. You gotta see what we working with. I'm telling you, bro. That shit mean, bro. This a 500 or the 350?
350, I think.
350?
But you got a whipple on it though.
Oh, okay.
It's the 350.
350.
The black one.
Alright.
Oh, appreciate you. This yours right here?
Yeah, this one.
Nice. Say less.
We knew that.
Kind of good.
But that's
The white one?
Someone else here right now.
I'll take the white one if I have a chance. Like, I always like the white Shelby.
That nigga shit is bad.
I know this shit. So, that shit hard though. I ain't gonna lie. They pulled up on us. They really did though. Oh yeah, watch out. I guess we head back to the whip. This shit packed.
Yo, what up?
And it's family, yo. It's your family, bro. This shit packed, bro. We at Quaker. We at Quakers with this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Obviously the whip right there.
Oh, you do. I feel like that's an expensive.
This shit crazy though. I had a motherfucker already. I parked. Dude has like a.
That bit too.
He got like a T8 Challenger or something, bro. That shit crazy, bro. You got 5-0s, but everybody over here, bro. But we at Quakers for this shit, bro. People about to be racing tonight. We gonna give you some race film and shit. Got that fucking 360 cam right there too. That shit tough. Oh, he putting this on too. I got these racing. Everybody getting ready to race, bro. How much they putting on though? How much money they putting down?
Racing
For free, shit. Hell no. Hey, look at that though. They got a Hellcat Durango, bro. That shit tough with the wheels though. The wheels tough. Like that wheels, but the wheels go with that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit crazy. That shit wow, bro. But I fuck with the hood, bro. That shit hard, bro. Oh my god. This shit hard. Nah, this is something I'll drive as an everyday though. Cause this shit just tough. Damn, bro. He got the racing tires and the Pro. I would have put my shit like that, but like I got that fucking Lube in the back. Shit hard.
Okay, that go. See the video? Alright, bro. I'm about to have gas.
When they about to race? You know when they about to race?
I don't know when.
Oh, that's the shit y'all talking about?
Yeah.
But my
Cook, what's your
What about it?
my friend.
the Camaro over the scat pack tonight.
Shit.
If you put it down, I like 10. I like 10.
What Camaro? Like, oh,
What you know that I don't know? Trying to see what's going on.
Shit, what's your ass all night though besides you?
Hey, I know you fucking up north.
Fuck you, keep talking about.
Okay. Yeah, I know you ready.
I can't wait for your shit to come out in the shop, bro. Get your shit out of the shop, start getting that bread. Easy bread, bro. Easy bread.
Nigga, he hit me up, so like we could have
I be hitting you, but you be like, you gonna hit me, and I be like, all right. You can hit me whenever, like, I ain't finna be up your ass, like, I ain't.
You need to go to the gym, dog. I swear.
That shit, I ain't never seen that shit.
Like, get his footage.
Man, you know how we coming?
Hey, BJ. Yeah, some shit say, though.
This shit weird though. Might as well get what I got, the fucking the cow hood.
I'm loving it.
This shit crazy, bro. Like, everybody out here, bro. Yeah. Talk to him, bro. Talk to him. You doing all that just to lose, bro. Just to lose, bro. You doing all that just to lose, bro. Get gapped in like 2 seconds. Shit, we out here, man. Race day, race night. Race night.
That's just the first one.
Oh, they about to go out right now?
You need them. We need that type of shit. I ain't gonna lie. That's
What,
what drive back.
Oh, the tires or
Like both of them, tires and rims.
you about to go to, or they just them? Got that GoPro ready. Ah, damn that big dude. Hey, that thing got wheels or something. He hit that shit, right? He good at. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He hit that shit. Right? Shit going slow though.
As you can see, it's morning time, but pretty much, man, we making up a good positive note. But on another note, hope y'all got this far into the video. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Hope y'all subscribe, like, and comment, man. I put a lot of content out for y'all. I know a lot of car people don't get to see stuff like this all the time on YouTube. So if y'all fuck with the video, man, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Comment below what y'all think about this video, man. It was a great Quaker meet, man. And catch me on the next video.